If your Claude desktop app is acting slow, refusing to load new messages, or showing you weird, out of sync errors, you are likely dealing with a bloated cache. Over time, the app stores tiny pieces of data that can become corrupted, making the whole interface feel heavy and broken. I'm going to show you exactly how to wipe the slate clean and get that day one speed back immediately. Stay with me until the very end, because I'm going to show you a hidden folder path that lets you delete this data manually if the app is so frozen that you can't even click the reset buttons. To clear your cache, start by opening the Claude app and looking at the very top of your screen in the System menu bar. Click on the Help menu to reveal the troubleshooting tools. From that list, you want to select the option that says Troubleshooting. A submenu will appear with a few different choices. Click on Clear Cache. The app will briefly flicker or restart as it flushes out the temporary files. If the app is still acting buggy, go back to that same troubleshooting menu, but this time select Reset App Data. A warning will pop up telling you this will log you out. Confirm it, and the app will completely refresh itself to its original factory state. Doing this is important because it's the only way to fix silent errors that a simple restart won't touch. Because Claude stores your chat fragments and UI preferences locally to save time, those files eventually clash with new updates from Anthropic. By clearing the cache, you are forcing the app to download fresh, updated versions of the interface directly from the servers. It's like clearing the exhaust pipe on a car. It removes the buildup so the engine can actually breathe and run at full speed again. Now, for that pro tip I mentioned. If your app won't even open to let you reach the Help menu, you have to go to the source. On a Mac, open Finder, hit Command-Shift-G, and paste this path you see on the screen. If you're on Windows, type %appdata% into your search bar and find the Claude folder. Delete everything inside that folder. This is a hard reset that bypasses the app entirely, ensuring that the next time you click that icon, Claude opens up perfectly smooth and brand new.